Hi friends, it's Barry from Math Games, and today I have this fun little math challenge for you, which is about a football. Specifically, we know a football is made from 12 black pentagons. So you see these pentagons and 20 white hexagons. So there's 20 of these white hexagons, and each of them have shared edges, which is a join. So these are the edges. So the question is, how many joins are there? So pause the video and give this problem a go. And when you're ready, keep watching for the solution. So let's take a look at the diagram. So I'm going to draw on the diagram. So it says there are 12 black pentagons. So these are the pentagons, right? Let me draw that here. So as you can see, there are 5 edges or 5 joins. And because there are 12 black pentagons, so there are now 12 times 5 many joins. Now let's think about the white hexagons. I'm going to use the color blue to draw, okay? So 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 edges to a hexagon, well, as the name implies, hexa. So there are, 20 such white hexagons, and each has 6 edges. So there must be 20 times 6 many edges. So you would think we can add them up. That would be 60 plus 120, and then that is 180. So you would think there are 180 joints, right? But you would be wrong, because notice on the diagram here, this bit where I highlight in green, so each edge, they are counted twice. They share with each other. So what we have to do is to divide the whole number by 2. Okay, we need to divide everything by 2. And so we get our answer as 90. So there are actually 90 joins on a football. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.